Good morning, you guys. Happy 4th. As you can see, your girl about to cook some pork spare rib. Yes, ma'am. And I hope you all and your family having a fun celebration, you guys. And comment down below, let your girl know what you guys are doing today. For me, your girl gotta go to work, so I gotta get this ribs in the oven. And yeah, you guys, if you are new here, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. As you can see, my meat is already soaking in the lemon, lime, vinegar, and stuff like that. You know how your girl do. Yeah, you guys, so yeah, I am going to rinse this off, and yeah, so stay tuned, you guys. And I forgot to show you guys, I am gonna be making a little burger. You know, I'm not doing it big at all this year, you guys. Your girl has to work, like I said, so just something for us to eat and the kids and stuff like that. And I have some green tomatoes. They still hard, y'all, but they already turning color on your girl. I just bought it last night. But yeah, you guys, stay tuned. Alright, you guys, here's what the meat is looking like after your girl went ahead and rinsed it off, you guys. So right now I'm just letting this sit. Go ahead, I'm gonna let all the excess water to drip down the pan, y'all. Then I'm gonna go ahead and pat dry with a paper towel because your girl about to make some dry rub. All right, then we're gonna let it sit, and then we're gonna come back and show you guys, you know, what the meat is looking like again after, you know, you season it and all that good stuff. But you know what, I want to put some of my green season on it. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Give me 1 second. I'll be back, y'all. Let me go ahead and add the green seasoning. All right, you all, here's the green seasoning. I do have another jar, full one, in the refrigerator. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and add that into the meat. And yeah, alright, you guys, as you can see, I didn't add much. Okay, I didn't add too much because, like I said, I want the meat to stay, you know, semi-dry, or if possible dry. But you know, adding the green seasoning, I don't know what your girl gonna get, but we'll see, y'all. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix this very well. Okay, so I'll be back. Alright, you guys, here's what I am gonna be using. As you can see, paprika, garlic powder, minced garlic, the sazon tropical, cayenne pepper, ginger powder, as well garlic powder. I already say garlic, right? Yeah, I already say garlic. And I'm gonna use a little bit of this Memphis style barbecue seasoning. And yeah, you guys, this is the rub. As you can see, I am gonna go ahead and mix that. And also you're gonna need some brown sugar, cumin, if you like. Just feel free to use whatever you prefer, you guys. And yeah, and as well, let me get the mustard. I am gonna be using 2 tablespoons of mustard. Here's the mustard, you guys. Yeah, so feel free. And I did mention cumin, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix my seasoning. I'm gonna combine all of that. As you can see right here, they're already in the bowl. So yeah, stay tuned, y'all. All right, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and mix our seasoning. As you can see, and I mix it just like so, you guys. Make sure everything it's mixed very well. Okay, good. All right, you guys, now I am back on the meat. Rub down the green seasoning, y'all. Alright, y'all, now I'm gonna go ahead and use some olive oil. We're gonna add that so our seasoning can stick, as well the mustard. All right, just a little bit, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and rub the oil all over the meat. What are you guys doing today? Are you guys going to see the fireworks? And make sure everything you do today, you guys, stay safe. I hope you and your family are safe out there, alright? Comment down below, you guys. You know your girl gonna be at work, so look at that. So good. And be sure, you guys, if you watch our channel, you like it, be sure to thumbs it up. Be sure to share with your families and friends. Okay? So yeah, you guys, help us, you know, with our journey. You guys is a part of the family. Okay? Y'all are the part of the family. Without Jesus and y'all, we couldn't make it, you know, made it that far. So yeah, you guys. Alright, as you can see, I am done. Okay? Marinated my meat. So now we're gonna be adding our dry rub, honey. Okay? Alright, y'all. We're gonna be adding our dry rub. Okay. Here we go. Go ahead and rub it down, boo-boo. Look at that. You see the colors? And I am gonna leave a measurement down below, okay? So just feel free to use your own measurement, because I don't know how much meat you guys gonna be using. As you can see, what I have here, what your girl is working with here, okay? So yeah, definitely use your own, you know, measurement or less. But yeah, I'm adding more. Keep rubbing it down. Make sure everything is seasoned to perfection. Okay. Rub it, lift it. Make sure you get every single wear, you guys. I'm gonna be doing so good at work, the honey. Yes, ma'am. We're gonna add a little bit more. This is it, y'all. Okay, looking so good. And I'm gonna let it sit. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna let it sit then for maybe 20 to 30 minutes. Then we're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven. Alright. Alright, you guys, now we're gonna go ahead and line up our meat in this pan right here. So it looks so good. Let's go ahead and place that. Hope you can see. I'll show you guys if you can, but I hope you can. Alright, you guys, your girl is done with this pan right here. Yes, ma'am. And here's the meat ready to go into the oven. Alright. Alright, you guys, another thing, you can make your dry rub whichever way you like. You can add or take away. So yeah, you guys. And this is what's left. Like I told you guys, I was gonna go ahead and sprinkle a little bit on top. Okay, I think everything is done. Yeah. So yeah. Alright, you guys, we're gonna put it in the oven for 1 hour, you guys. Then we're gonna come back and check our meat. Then we're gonna add the barbecue sauce. But what you're seeing right now, it is the burger. I am frying them, yes, on the stove, you guys. Yeah, so next we are going to move on the green tomatoes. As you can see, looking so gorgeous. This is how I made them, you guys. 1 egg, crack it open, pour it in the bowl or paper plate, dip it in, put it back in the flour, just like you frying chicken. Okay, so that's what your girl is doing. Gonna flip it over, bam. Then we're gonna take it out. We're gonna put it back in the Ziploc bag. We're gonna shake it, shake it, shake it. Then we're gonna put it back again. You know, we're gonna do 2 coats. Okay, so after that, you already know we're gonna fry it. So that's what your girl did. If you want a more in-depth how I make my fried green tomatoes, you guys, I do it like different ways and stuff. So comment down below, let me know. All right, so yeah, you guys, stay tuned. Here's the rib, you guys. As you can see, babe is flipping it over for your girl. Okay, so yeah, that's what we're doing. All right, then we're gonna add some barbecue sauce. As you can see, yes ma'am. Alright, you guys, we are back again. We're gonna let the rib cook for another hour. Okay, and we will be adding more barbecue sauce because we flipped it again. As you can see, it's looking so good. All right, yeah, so stay tuned, you guys. Alright, you guys, the ribs has been cooking for 2 hours now. We're gonna let it continue cooking maybe for 25 more or less. That way, you know, it could like kind of, you know, cook the little barbecue sauce a bit to make it more sticky. So yeah, that's what we're doing. All right, so I'm getting ready to eat my plate. I'm ready to eat, y'all. When I tell you I sound tired, right? Yeah, I am gonna, baby, let me tell you. Yeah, yeah, you already know. You guys, when I tell you this is with a 10 out of 10. When I tell you, baby, so good, so good. Look at the ribs, look at it. I'm so stuffed right now, it ain't even funny. But y'all, babes, don't forget to always put God first. I can't even talk. I love you all so much. All right, I'm sleepy, y'all. Okay, but you know, I'm at work, I can't even go to sleep. But yeah, so stay tuned for more, you guys.